how to set a daily reminder on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to teach you how to set a daily reminder using the built-in reminder app on your iPhone. So let's dive right in. Open up a reminders app, and then on the bottom left you will see new reminder. So you'll have to tap on it to set a reminder, and then here on the title you can put anything, and then here on the notes you can put a detailed description of what you're doing. And then once you've done that, you can go to set the time. So you can see calendar and clock icon. Just tap on it, and here tap on date and time, and then here you can choose the date where you want it to start, and then toggle on time if you want to set time as well. And then once you have chosen the time, here comes the important part. You'll need to tap on repeat, and then make sure that you set it to daily, and then tap on apply. And that's it. It's as simple as that to set a daily reminder on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.